we're going to look at an entirely new way to write a bash script, which is a case statement. So a case statement is used as an alternative to the if, else statement. So the starting and ending block of this statement is defined by case and is ended with esac. So just like if, we spell if backwards for fee to end it, and case, we spell case backwards, esac, to end that statement. So we're going to create a new file named case_example.sh. We're going to add the following script to it. So the output of the following script will be the same to the previous else if example. Okay, so we're doing the same thing as in the previous example, but now we're using the case statement to do that. All right, so it's very odd looking at first, but it's going to make sense as we start to write it here. So vim case_example.sh, insert mode, so hit I for insert mode. Just as we always have, we're starting it with our hash string. We're going to say echo, enter your lucky number. We're going to use that read command to store the user input into the variable in. Now we're going to start our case statement. We always start the case statement with the word case. And kind of like a for loop, we're going to use the variable in and then the word in. So case variable in, and we're going to do 101 parentheses, and we're going to line that up with case echo you got first prize. 202, or I'm sorry, 510. We're going to line that up with 101, and I forgot to put parentheses here. Okay, and then we're going to do echo you got second prize. Then we're going to do 999. Oops, 999. We're going to line that up with the rest of them. We're going to indent. We're going to do echo you got third prize. Finally, we're going to do a splat or star symbol to mean all or everything, okay? We're going to indent it. We're going to do echo, sorry, try for next time. And then we're going to end it with esac, which is case spelled backwards, okay? So let's look at what's going on here. So basically, this case statement is taking this variable and it's running through these values. So is in 101, if it is, it's going to echo this. Is in 510, if it is, it's going to echo this. Is in 999, if it is, it's going to echo this. Everything else, so any other number besides these three, it's going to echo this. Let's check that out. So we're going to do escape, write, quit. We're going to make it executable all plus x case underscore example.sh. We're going to run that script with the bash command. Oops. Enter your number, 101. Actually, let's go back to that script. Let's see what I mislabeled. Guys, I forgot a very important part of this, which is this little character here, okay? We need to end, these statements with a double semicolon. Okay, this is how you end each one of these statements and how it knows that it's moving on to the next statement. Okay? So just like when we do a if statement and we put a semicolon after the statement and then we do then do this, okay? That's how this case statement works. Is we use it to semicolon. So 101, double semicolon, 510, double semicolon, 99, double semicolon, everything else, double semicolon, end it, okay? And you see now that these colors actually match up finally. Okay, that should have been a sign to me that something was off. All right, now we're going to run it. Enter your lucky number, 101. You got first prize. Let's run it again. 510. Second prize, not bad. One more time. 999. Third prize, well, all right. Third still isn't bad. Top 3. We're going to run it one more time. I'm going to putt. 1, 2, 3. Ah, boo, I didn't get anything. No prize for me. Let's check that out. So, basically it looked at, is in 101? If it is, you got first prize. Is in 510? You got second prize. Is in 999? Well, then do this. And then we use this star symbol. Remember, star in regular expressions or meta characters means all. So everything else but these 3 will run this. So that is what the case statement does and how it's used.